Alright, so today I want to talk about cleaning these vents. Some of us guys, we got bigger fingers. It's kind of hard to get a finger in there with a towel or something. Or if you don't have an air compressor or you don't have a steamer, this is one way you can do it. So I did use one of these. I'll put in the link description. These are really nice. And I just sprayed some Express Interior by PNS. And all I'm going to do is just go in here and clean everything up. And you can see how dirty that was. And I can just take this other side of it, or clean the bottoms of them. Okay. So now I got another one, but this is dry. There's nothing on it. So I'm just going to kind of mop everything up. So there you go. Very easy cleaning this vent. Alright, so now I got another section of the video I should say. Got this little pick here. It's a microfiber swab. And you can see inside the Jeep area, it's kind of dirty. You know, you can't really get your, well, probably get your nail in there if it's long enough, but if you're trying to clean inside here, we got these little tools. Really give that a good cleaning. And like I said, if you have maybe like an air compressor or a steamer, it can work really well. But if you don't have one, if you're just starting off, these are real cheap. And they get the job done. Sometimes the tip kind of breaks off a little bit, but that's okay. They normally have a pack of them for like 100 or so. So if they break, it's fine. Just grab another one. Alright, so what I did, since I'm using my hands, I wish I could get like a GoPro or something. But all I did, I just took my Express Interior, I sprayed it in there, then just kind of wiped down the whatever was coming off, so I can have some lubrication and kind of get everything out of there. So I did that off camera, but something like this can be done with just this and some cleaner. So hopefully this will help you out, and I'll catch you on the next one.